Butcher block countertops come in a variety of sizes. This one is 6 foot long and 25 inches wide. We need to cut it down for a 5-foot cabinet that is 22 inches deep, so we'll start by trimming 2.5 inches off the entire length of this piece. Now we're using a table saw to make this cut so it's perfectly consistent from end to end. The 2.5 inch piece will serve as our backsplash. Next, we mark the panel at the 5-foot mark with a framing square before we make the cross grain cut with a circular saw. Then we cut the narrow backsplash piece to 5 feet on the miter saw. The butcher block is pretty smooth right out of the package, but before it's installed and finished, we sand it one more time with a fine grit sandpaper. Applying a heavy-duty construction adhesive will allow us to simply set the countertop in place without the need of any fasteners to secure it. While the adhesive is still wet, we double-check the overhang margins before we glue the backsplash in place. The finish we're using for this top is a tung oil-based wood sealer and finish that penetrates the wood to seal and protect it from moisture. Applying it with a stain pad allows us to rub the formula into the grain of the wood. After 2 or 3 coats of this sealer, the countertop is complete.